Alright, y'all, so I am going to teach you how to make your images move. I do have Sora and I do pay for the $20 version of ChatGPT, but I am going to show you how to make an image move. I just created one just for the sake of time. It takes a second for these to download, but I asked it to create a biracial slim black woman with pink hair sitting on her luxury bed in a hotel with DJ equipment and her headphones on, with an oversized white shirt with one shoulder exposed, overlooking Brazil, with floor to ceiling windows, realism, natural light, with slight movement. The image doesn't move. There is a way to get it to do it. I haven't figured that out yet. But for the sake of this is what ChatGPT created. So I am going to just download that. And then for me, I pay for Global GPT. It's about 112 or 126. Don't quote me on the price, but I pay for the annual version. And I like this because it has all of the GPTs. So if you want to create, design, developer tools, student tools, copywriting, they have all of the AI tools all in one place. So I pay for this also. I don't necessarily like how slow it runs, and sometimes like the GPT-4 doesn't always work as fast as I like, which is why I still pay for ChatGPT separately. But for the sake of this, we are going to be looking right here, you guys, to Runway to make our image move. So, and I'm going to link all of these in the description. I'm going to link my LoFi channel in the description, as well as Global GPT, Suno AI, and all of these links that I'm going to describe to you during this. So we're going to go ahead and select our image from our downloads. And again, all of this is AI tools, so it does take a second for things to load. And I just say, make her move subtly. And I always keep it on 10 seconds. 5 seconds is okay, but for the sake of my Lo-Fi AI Soul channel, I always keep it on 10 seconds because it loops better. And this, I don't change the resolution. It just is always like this. So let's hit generate. It does take a second, but it does give you a little preview. And these are my other ladies that I made move. Some of my tests, and some are actually on my Lo-Fi channel. And all of these images I either created in Mid-Journey or created them in ChatGPT. These two here are Mid-Journey. All right, and then the good thing about Runway, it does tell you how to write prompts. So it does give you an example. If y'all want to see how this moves, you see, they have so many variations. I love the city. I've honestly been doing a music channel with just the cityscapes. I just haven't got to that point yet. But all right, you guys, let's test it out. Let's see how it made her move. Let's see, let's see. All right, not too bad, not too bad. So let's pick a song for her. And this is Sono AI. For me, I go to here to create, here on the side. I hit custom, and I always move this instrumental because that is what I need. And for me, I hate these, but let's just try lo-fi. I usually do lo-fi and then 4 minutes. And sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't. I actually might want to try this lo-fi beat. Let's see. Let's see what it creates, you guys. I actually already have, this is the one I'm actually going to use for this video, but we're going to just test it out. Let's see what Suno AI creates. And just don't forget to put it on instrumental if you just want to do like an instrumental channel, because it will make a song with lyrics. And you can actually create lyrics in Chat GPT. We won't be doing this on this video, but it'll create those lyrics. You'll put them in here and it'll generate a song with those lyrics, which is cute. Let's see what it created. I'm actually not mad at this. I actually like that one. The beat's a little off on that one. I'm not using that one. I actually don't mind this one. So let's go ahead and download this and always do MP3. And sometimes it does take a second. I usually try to wait to see the number of minutes, but I try to get at least 4 minutes because it just loops better, in my opinion. All right, so once that works on downloading, we can actually go ahead and get our girl downloaded. So I always go to Canva and I just hit upload, and I think this is just her image. Let's get her, I don't think her video downloaded yet. Let's see. All right, I forgot to download. So download, don't be like me. Actually download the image, but then go back to Canva. Those are some of my other ladies that I downloaded. Super easy, just wait for that to go. But I'm gonna download my audio while I'm waiting on that. This is Untitled, and the other one I'm downloading is called Untitled, but just play it and you'll know which one is yours. And the key to this is I always click inside the picture and I go up here and I change this to be however long I need it to be. In this case, I'm doing a longer video, so this is going to be 10 minutes. And then the trick here so that it loops properly is you're going to bring your video straight down here. Do not bring it here. It doesn't loop right. I don't know why. Bring it down here. And then if you want to do, say, 20 minutes, because that's usually a better watch times for me, I just hit Control D and then it'll duplicate the video right here. So now we have a 20-minute long video. You can always check your time right here. And then now let's bring in our sound again because these are the same. Let's just test it out first. That is so nice. I really like it. And as you can see, it's actually a 3-minute song, which isn't bad. That's fine. I prefer 4 minutes, but again, it's not that serious. All right, so then go right into here. I like to line it up. And again, if you want to duplicate it so that you are not trying to just go to the end, just click on the actual sound and then just hit Control D, Control D, Control D, all the way up until you get to whatever your time is. And then if you want, I will just play it from somewhere and watch her move. I love this. AI's a little tricky. Her hands look crazy to me, but whatever. All right, and then for me, after that, I download this video, and I always create a long form and a short. I won't show you how to create the short, but it's literally the same concept. I just go to Canva, I type in YouTube Shorts, and then just use that template, change it to 1 or 2 minutes, and then literally drag and drop again. But for this, I'm going to go ahead and download, and then I just go back over to ChatGPT and say, create lo-fi title and description for a slow Brazil themed tone or instrumental. Yeah, that's great. It then it creates a short description. I've already trained it to do the description this way. And I always tell it to give me space to add my stand store link. My stand store link is here. This is everything that has to do with my travel channel and just my digital products, period. So I always make sure that I include this link, and it also links to my other YouTube channel. And I will add all of this in the description box. This is just so that you all can see. But the finished product will be this. This is my LoFi AI Soul channel, and I have all of my links here. So you can see everything, including my WAP store. But this is how the channel looks. And I will be uploading that video, premiering that very soon. So just be on the lookout for that. And I will link in the description to my Lo-Fi AI Soul channel so that you all can take a peek and just chill out when you're cleaning the house, relaxing, and just vibing. All right. I hope that helped. You learned how to make your image move. I hope that was simple for you all. And it takes literally, this was probably what, a 5-minute video? So there you go.